Hey guys, I thought I'd make a little shorts video since I can make 3-minute shorts videos now. Got a little issue with the WEN inverter generator. When you try to put it down in the eco mode, it wants to idle rough. I'm gonna guess it's a spark plug, but we're gonna find out. I already checked the oil. The oil's good, and it don't matter how long it runs, it don't smooth out unless you pull the choke just a little bit. So hopefully it's just a spark plug. It could be a little dirt in the carburetor or something too, but hopefully it's not that, because we're right in the middle of a snowstorm. It's like January 6th or 7th. It's Sunday, and supposed to get like 8 to 12 inches of snow, and usually have power outages. So it's supposed to be icy too, so hopefully we can get this going right. I can still use it like it is, but I like to be able to put it down that eco mode to save on fuel. But this thing burned a little bit of oil, and I figured the spark plug just carboned up. So we got the new spark plug. This is supposed to be the one for it. I figured it'd be the first thing to try. So you pop this plate off, and your spark plug is way down there in a very convenient spot. And the spark plug don't look as bad as I thought it would. But we're still going to change it. It says a Torch brand in it. Like I said, we're putting an NGK in it. So it'll be an upgrade anyway. Now that's a huge improvement, still not exactly right, so we may have to clean the carburetor, which will be on a separate video if I end up having to do that, but every time I run some fuel through it, it'll probably clear up on its own. It's running way smoother than it was, so hopefully that's all it was. These cheaper spark plugs are bad about misfiring. You see how yellowish it looks, so that's probably what the problem was, or at least we can rule that out. And here's a quick view of the side cover off where your oil dipstick side's on. This is where the air filter's at. It's right here. Well, it's not too bad. I'm still going to clean it real good and put it back in and see how it does. Alright guys, we'll go ahead and end this video. I thought that might make a little short video you might want to watch. So, alright guys, we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.